Now question 2 is write down. In this A part is a pair of negative integer whose sum is minus 8. Here we have to write two negative integers whose sum is minus 8, or when we add them we get as answer minus 8. So here we take minus 6 and minus 2, as these are two negative integers whose sum is minus 8. Now B part is a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 3. Means here we have to take a negative and a positive integer, and if we add them their answer will be minus 3. So we take here minus 15 plus 12, as their sum is minus 3 if we add them. Now C part is a positive and a negative integer whose difference is 4. Here we have to write a positive and a negative integer whose difference is 4, means if we subtract them we get answer 4. So here we take plus 2 and minus 2, as plus 2 minus minus 2 gives 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now its F part is a pair of negative integers whose sum is plus 5. Its answer will be none, because sum of negative integers is always negative. If we take two negative integers, their sum never be positive. So here answer we take none. Students, remember it, various answers can be given for A, B, C parts. So you can take any other pair of integers also. Now question 3 is, in a quiz, team A scored 45, minus 50 and 75 in 3 successive rounds, whereas B scored minus 45, 50 and plus 25. Now which team scored more and how much? If we find total score of team A and team B, for team A we get 45 plus minus 50 plus 75 is equal to 70. And for team B we get minus 45 plus 50 plus 25 is equal to 30. It's clear that team A got more points than team B. So answer is team A scored more, and it got 70 minus 30 is equal to 40 points more than team B. Students, do question 4 in book, in which here given, fill in the blanks to make the statements true. Also name the property used. In this A part is minus 5 plus minus 4 is equal to dash plus minus 5. In blank, minus 4 will come and order is changed, so name the property used will be commutative property of addition. Its B part is 4 plus dash is equal to 4. In blank, 0 will come, as 0 is added to any integer gives integer itself as sum, and property will be additive identity. Now C part is minus 53 plus dash is equal to minus 53. In blank, 0 will come, as 0 is added to any integer gives integer itself as sum, and property will be additive identity. Now D part is 4 plus minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 4 plus 7 plus dash. In blank, minus 5 will come, which is missing at right hand side, to make it equal to left hand side, and property will be associative property of addition, as groups are made here. E part is 25 plus minus 50 plus 5 is equal to 25 plus 5 plus dash. In blank, minus 50 will come, which is missing at right hand side to make it equal to left hand side, and property used is associative property of addition as groups are made here. Now F part is minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 4. 0 will come in blank and property is additive identity. In G part, 4 plus minus 4 is equal to dash. Again here 0 will be coming in blank and property is additive inverse, as the sum of an integer and its additive inverse is always 0. H part is 5 plus dash is equal to 0. Minus 5 will be there in blank and the property will be additive inverse.